This right here is poor man's lobster. This is the pickerel cheeks out of the pickerel. They're amazing. Most people don't get them. They're the most awesome thing ever. It's all pure meat right there. This side here, you just cut in the fillet right there. It's like your halibut cheeks, same thing. Up like that. That's all pure meat right there, and it's the finest meat of probably the whole fish. Really? Just like that. And then this here, this is called butterfly shrimp. Like this right here. Come in over so you don't cut yourself. Take that off, and you peel the skin away, like so, and away, just like that. And this is fine. You batter that up, and you actually eat these. There's a little bone right in here, and you can actually eat this like a potato chip. It's amazing. Then there's 2 bones in here. So all you do is just suck it off. Oh, it's fine, beautiful meat. Butterfly shrimp. And this is how you fillet and debone a pickerel. Go along there, you can feel the knife hitting the backbone, making a nice cut, clean cut all the way along like that, not to go through. Slide it along right off, and you get a nice fillet, just like that. And the other side, turn it around, same thing. You can feel it cutting all along there. Want to make sure it's nice and clean along the bone. Now, if you get part of the fin like that, you can just take it off. Look at that, nice, lots of meat on there. And you can just go like this, and that gets that extra little bone and that fin off. And you want to do that before you take the skin off. And then this is the rib bones. I like taking the rib bones off before I take the skin off, and just like this right here, underneath those rib bones, and turn the knife up, because they go to slant like that. And you want to just lift up on the knife, and you can see the bones even sticking out. See that right there? Yeah. So I got it just perfect underneath there. But then it's not my first rodeo either.
Done a few of these.
Audacious Cowboy has done this once or twice. Okay, and you start at the back, you hold that, and just let the knife slide along the skin. And now, because we're actually not eating the fish, right here, and even transporting it to your site or campsite, you need to leave a piece of skin on there, so you can identify the fish. And now there's one more slight bones in the pickerel. So you got the rib bones off, and right here you can actually feel it, right in the middle there. You can see it, and now you can feel it. Right there, like that. And that bones goes as far as the rib bones go. And you just cut straight down. That's why people like doing the pickerel, because they're very simple. Straight down on the other side of them, just like that. And now you can butter this up, put some flour to it, and have a fish fry with Sarah bones. Oh, don't forget to take that piece of skin off when you're cooking it.
Perfect. And that's today's lesson.
That's today's lesson, and on the pickerel. I'll give you a lesson here in a second on the jackfish.